virgin. You've never engaged in sexual intercourse?
No.
kusananga zvakare muri Zimbabwe pano paZest News pano changa chimhanya news updates zvasiyana siyana zvichanga zvichiitika munyika yeZimbabwe. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that patodzoka nemamwe news updates uchanga uchingozvipiwa pachena vadika ndaenda kubatira chiri kupisa chine mukurumbira muzuva ranhasi nyaya yaAstra naAaliyah avo vanozikanwa nembiri yekupisa paTikTok. So Astra naAaliyah vanodheta. So muri Zimbabwe vabudisa mashoko ekuti they are both still virgin, havasati vaita sex. Aaliyah ati kwakakurira asati aita sex, iye Astra futi akati kwakakurira asati aita sex nanhasi. So ndachikumbira kuti zvanofunga mukomese below about mafungiro ako maringe this news update. Much love guys, enjoy this video.
Virgin. You've never engaged in sexual intercourse?
No.
This is a commendable thing, guys. You know, I'm surprised, but then in a very pleasant way, and I'm hoping you're telling the truth. What do you do when you are in a closed room together?
I make TikTok videos.
Exactly, we make TikTok videos. Have you kissed?
Yeah.
Yeah, obvious.
But then beyond that, wow. Aaliyah unona matters. Oh.
Indakatokura ndichidzidziswa kunzi mbonde rinoitwa after marriage.
Wow. So maybe it's also because of your background and upbringing.
Maybe.
I think we're really not talking much about this for this generation.
They just we watch TV, we edit, we create content, we dance, we sing.
Exactly. There's a lot of things you can do besides intimacy.
Wow, like oh.
Yeah.
About it.
They're not educated.
This is really good. So when you are in Zim, you don't stay together? Aaliyah?
Did that?
You don't know
Well, normally no, but this time, yes.
Saka manje muzopinde pamiyedzi because amfana kuzvisaka pamuyedzo nokuti mato mega muri pamba ipapo
ndo kutotesta manje kuti are you keeping yourselves to your words and stuff.
Joseph akamhanya ati teste zvinhu zvakadaro zvimira zvitestwe Joseph nemukadzi waposifa imuda you flee.
Not even.
It's not a safe space, guys. It's not a safe space. Don't do it.
Do what?
To stay together?
Yes.
It's almost a week now. She's about to go big.
Muchite say